Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color border to shape in Microsoft Word. So get it started. At first open your publish Word document file. In this video, I will show add color border to shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now select from any shape. Now I choose from a circle shape. Then draw a shape. That is. Then we can see add color border into the shape. Now going to the shape fill option. Then choose color into the fill. Now add color border. Now click for a shape outline option. Then click for a widget option. Then click for a 650. That is. Now click for a shape outline. Now it shows color. That's it. Then you show add color border to shape in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.